After being a KYC analyst for a few years, you might be thinking of a change of role. But what role could you go into? A KYC manager's role might be the next position for you. But what is a KYC manager? And what role do they play in tackling money laundering? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is a KYC manager and the possible career path one might choose to take. Hello and welcome to another KYC Lookup video where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. We also have a special announcement to make, so be sure to watch until the end to find out what it is. So, on to today's video. What is KYC? KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a set of guidelines that professionals must follow to weed out money laundering and terrorist financing. The Know Your Customer guidelines in financial services require that professionals make an effort to verify the identity, suitability, and risks involved in maintaining a business relationship. The procedures fit within the broader scope of the organisation's anti-money laundering policy. What is a KYC manager? The KYC AML manager is a member of the KYC department responsible for opening, amending, and reviewing existing clients according to the established policies and procedures. The KYC AML manager should also review clients' transactions to detect and report either proposed or completed unusual transactions. The KYC Operations Group Manager is a senior management level position, responsible for accomplishing results through the management of a team or department to provide anti-money laundering, AML, monitoring, guidance, oversight, and regulatory reporting services in coordination with the compliance and control team. The KYC manager has many duties. These include the following: function both as an individual contributor and program manager of a team of project managers. Partner with colleagues across the business unit to plan and manage a variety of tactical and strategic projects and change initiatives. Work with front office, due diligence, and global financial crimes compliance teams to support the business unit's initiatives. Responsible for executing, amending, and updating policies and procedures. Implement, monitor, and provide feedback to support, maintain, and improve standards. Provide training in KYC methods applied to increase awareness throughout the KYC team. Champion the delivery of what the customer or client wants and create a first-class onboarding experience. Supervising a team of KYC analysts responsible for performing due diligence, refresh checks on existing clients using appropriate research tools and external data sources. As you can see, the KYC manager has many responsibilities. Some organisations may have more duties and some less, so it all depends on the setup of a specific organisation. Why become a KYC manager? After a few years of being a KYC analyst and having learnt to do all types of client risk ratings, worked on multiple remediation projects, as well as mastering the screening process, you may ask yourself, what do I do now? Becoming a manager is a path that not many take due to the additional responsibilities. However, for those who do, it can lead to a long career in the AML industry. Once you become a manager, you also have the duty of care over the individuals within your team. Being a KYC manager is not just about knowledge. It is also about being a mentor, motivator, and in some cases, the bad guy when hard decisions need to be made, such as redundancies, not reviewing someone's contract, or simply getting rid of someone who wasn't good enough. Although hard decisions need to be made as a KYC manager, it shouldn't stop you from putting yourself forward for such roles, as training is always given to any new manager who is willing to and ready to make the transition. The positive impact of being a manager of your team and your own career can outweigh the fear and risks that prevent you from applying for such positions. As a KYC manager, you will get the exposure to more senior individuals within your organisation, while at the same time, you will have a better pay package and opportunities to attend management committees. What roles do KYC managers play in tackling money laundering? KYC managers play a big role in helping the fight against money laundering. The role of a KYC manager is a critical one, as they are professionals with more experience than the analysts within their team. The KYC manager will tend to get involved with escalations that his or her team may have. At the same time, they work as the bridge between the AML KYC team and the second line of defence. To succeed as a KYC manager, it is also required to have a high-level standard of leadership in order to keep the team motivated, engaged, but most importantly, vigilant, to be able to identify any red flags or suspicious behaviour with potential new or existing customers. What is a KYC manager's career path? In order to become a KYC manager, most individuals start as an analyst themselves. As KYC managers tend to be involved in escalations and communicating with other stakeholders, it is vital for them to have the background and understanding of an analyst. However, it's not always essential. Managers in other areas of operation or client service roles also tend to lead into becoming a KYC manager. Successful KYC managers can then move on to more senior roles within the business, or they can transfer to the second line of defence within the AML compliance, where they can become advisors and the point of contact for the business. Well, there you have it. What is a KYC manager and the possible career path one might choose to take. Please tell us in the comments section why a KYC manager is a great role and what other subjects you would like us to cover. Now for the special announcement mentioned at the start of the video. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.